Out with the old and in with the new. After 52 years of service, the Morris Knolls Library is being modernized to engage its patrons into the 21st century. On March 8th, the library will close its doors for the rest of the school year. Miss Peterson, the school librarian, is excited about the renovations and discussed some of the details about this project and the new changes that will happen to the library.
The library is being renovated, kind of brought into the 21st century. We'll be opening September 4th. Computers will be put into what we are referring to as a computer lab. The circulation desk is going to be moved.
Although the library is closing, Miss Peterson is still offering many of the library services.
Be library on a cart, and I'll be set up in the cafeteria, auditorium, or the auditorium lobby.
Although we as students will miss the library while it is gone, we are excited for the new opportunities the library will offer the students of Morris Knolls. Don't forget that Ms. Peterson will still be providing reading materials on her book cart, and research resources will be available on mhrd.org. We hope you are as excited as we are for this new addition to Morris Knolls. We will meet you there on September 4th.